How to boost your posts on Instagram. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to boost your posts on Instagram. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So as you can see right here, if I click on a post, there's actually no boost button. So in order to do that, I just need to switch to a professional account. So click on the three lines, click on the settings and privacy. Then from in there, you should be able to see this right here. So you should be looking for the content account type and tools just like this, and then from in there switch to professional account, then click on continue until you reach the end, then just select whatever you want and click on done. Now once we have done that, just click on creator and then click on not now right here for now, and then let's close this. So now let's open the post, and then in here, as you can see, it hasn't refreshed yet, so let's just refresh it. Then click on the post, click on the three dots. Then in here, you should be able to see these things right here. Now, if you want to boost your post, you should be able to see it right here. You can't boost a post if you have tagged someone, but if this post is actually yours, you can just click on the boost post right here in order to boost your post. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to boost your post on Instagram. If you have comments, comment them down below and try best to answer them. Thanks.